I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You'll start by confirming prerequisites so you don't waste time later. First, check that Photoshop's version supports the contextual taskbar. PS 2020 or newer is ideal. Once done, open a PSD and pick a target tool, for example, brush or crop, because the contextual bar appears relative to tools. Then go to Preferences and enable the UI or touch bar contextual options. This activates dynamic controls. Make sure to save your workspace before continuing, so settings persist across restarts. Now you'll enable and customize the contextual taskbar so it fits your workflow. In Workspace, choose or create a custom layout. This ensures panel behavior aligns with the contextual bar. Next, in Preferences Tools, toggle contextual controls and set modifier key behavior because this determines when the bar updates. Once enabled, customize the bar's contents. Add sliders, presets, brush controls, or quick actions. This gives you relevant options at a glance. Make sure to test with different tools to verify context switching works smoothly. Finish by validating and troubleshooting the contextual taskbar so you can work confidently. You should test switching between tools and confirm controls update in real time. That proves context sensitivity. If you see missing controls or odd positioning, reset the workspace via Window Workspace Reset because that often restores expected behavior. If problems persist, clear preferences by restarting Photoshop with Command or Control plus Alt and Shift held, which resets corrupted settings. Finally, save a working workspace to avoid repeating setup steps later.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.